I can't see in the lens, but somewhere there is a Hercules.
I don't know if it's a Hercules.
Shut up, you stupid dog.
Ebony, come on! You can't get the airplane. Come on, mate. Come on.
I don't know, guys.
Oh, there is.
I can't tell on the lens thing. Finder. I already knew that. Okay, it should be... There it is. Oh crap, it's gone again. Where is it now? I lost it. Oh, there it is right there. Cool. Not on the radar either, so it is military. On the left. I'll show you the radar.
It's a jet fighter?
Yeah, on the left. I'll show you the radar when I'm done here. I can't see it on the lens. Where did it go now? There it is. Yeah, it's one of those other country ones. Discovery Air Defense. Cool. You can hear a jet. I don't think it's the wind. I know, I don't hear it. Oh well. Alrighty, so yeah. Just doing some gravel outside and the NATO thing's on, so I want to bring my camera with me in case. So far nothing today except for that plane I heard. And yesterday was the Aurora, the French jet. I don't know what the third one was because I was out, but Devin heard it. And I know it's mostly wind, but for the past few days it's been so windy, I don't know why. So yeah. And on Instagram, somebody posted pictures of these Royal Air Force Typhoon Eurojets. So I don't know if they're supposed to be here for this or what. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Just doing some gravel. And I'm gonna go get a drink now. And yeah. Nathan's coming over for a few minutes when the parents, the mom and the sister, go get a haircut. Mom and Dad are doing the papers right now. So yeah. I guess that's it for now. Hopefully we get some more today. Hope flying over, lower, so we can see, louder. That'll be awesome. Too bad Green was so far away, because that's where all the jets are parked overnight. So yeah. Wish they were closer to the coast when they're doing this stuff though, and people could watch it. That would be pretty cool, but nope. But yeah, that's it until something else comes over, hopefully. I really want to see one really loud. It's been a while. Okay, there's a fighter jet coming back to land, so we're going to try to see it here. Went off radar again, so I'm going to try to see it up here. Should be just straight ahead. If it's still gonna come our way. I'll wait out here for a bit. Well, it never came over. Well, that's kind of weird. And it's off the radar now too, so yeah. Come on, we need something for day number 3. Oh, we'll wait and see what happens, I guess. There it is. There it is, right there.
Where are you looking?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. Oh, it's a Hercules.
In the house.
Go on in the house. Come on.
You ruin every time.
I can't hear you.
Grief. Very cool. Oh, look at there's a pigeon. Going back to Greenwood.
No, let's go out to the ocean, huh?
What?
Mixie, inside.
Where? It's gone.
Look over here, it might be over here somewhere.
Ah.
Suddenly disappeared.
I think it's over there. Can't you come over to our place? The Sea Kings do.
Getting louder again. You keep leaving. No, quiet again.
I see nothing. I see a cloud. Go away, clouds. I don't see anything. Did you see it on the radar?
At the top of my driveway. Still here. It must be doing stuff down there. It's gonna be up here for a bit. There it is, right there. And this will be probably the final hour until we get to the aircraft today, because that's coming. Alright, look, there's another one coming in, so I know we won't see it, but we can probably hear it. So we'll just wait here. Just made a freaking U-turn. What the crap? You gotta be kidding me. Never mind. Nothing's on the radar. Gotta get gone past. Mom? It's not on the radar, Mom. Mom! Jeez. It's a little late now. It's not on the radar. It was louder than that.
I know, I heard it. But I don't see it.
Neither do I. And Dad's home.
Mix it!
Can you shut that door, please? Now my dad's home, the room of sound. Hercules now. There's a Hercules now. There's a Hercules and a jet. There's a Hercules and a jet.
Where the heck is the Hercules? Dang these clouds.
Oh, no
well,
kidding.
No, guff.
There's a jet prop up there as well. Or
Yeah, a jet just came by.
yeah, but that's a regular plane up there. That's like
No.
prop.
It's a Hercules.
That's a Hercules, darling.
Thought they're done for the night. Freaking clouds. Good day, guys. It is officially the next day of NATO training or exercises. It's amazing. Once school ends, it's freezing. Holy crap. It's windy again, but it's not as windy, but it's windy. So far, really, we only heard the jets. We haven't seen any jets. I'll see them on the radar. It's weird to show some on radar, but not most. And they'll start coming straight from my house, and they'll make a sharp right turn and head towards the city. Like, really? Come on. I know we thought that one on the first day. We have seen the Hercules and Hercules and stuff. But man, can we not just get some jets over here before it's over? It's like already Thursday. But yeah, so far, I hope you guys enjoyed the sounds of the aircraft. I know I want to get some jets and stuff, but it doesn't work that way, I guess. So yeah, anyways, let's begin this day. They mostly come over in the evenings for some reason. I don't know why. So we are heading downtown today, so maybe we'll see some over there. I'm not too sure. Anyway, so let's hopefully we see some today. So let's go. Sound like a helicopter to me. Hey, Devin, is a helicopter.
It's the inside. Inside. Inside.
I don't know where it is.
Probably have kids.
Oh, there it is. Come right now. Get on the attention. There's a helicopter, Mom!
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 Mom! There's a helicopter!
There.
Where?
It's coming right here.
What kind of helicopter?
I'm trying to see. There's trees in the way.
Cyclone.
It's a cyclone. It'll come right over you.
I'm gonna catch it.
Well, g'day guys. So yesterday there was no jets whatsoever flying around. Well, there was. It was on the radar and stuff, but nothing came over this way. Saw a picture of 2 jets and a refueler in the city. They didn't come this way. So, and today's Friday. I think it ends tomorrow for here, so that really sucks. I guess we're not gonna get to see any. So yeah, so we'll see what happens today. hopefully we see something before they leave for St. John's. Alright, so I just want to correct myself here. The NATO fleet left on Monday, so I guess our week will end on Monday. So yeah, that's it. I'll just correct myself about that. So, see what happens. Maybe there'll be more action on Saturday. Who knows? Alright, where's this guy? Doesn't really sound
Right
good. Where?
See it?
No?
Flying into the sun.
Oh, in the sun. Don't see it. What way was it heading? Oh, there it is. I see it. Alright, there's a Hercules for Friday. I gotta wait for some jets. Alright, so it's less windy today, thank goodness. So far we got the roar over. I heard a jet, didn't see it, saw on radar. Like it's passing that way, it's not coming over us. It's probably not allowed to. It's going like at the harbor entrance out that way, so that sucks. But we're gonna go to the top and see if we can see anything quickly. But I really want to see one before it's all done and over with. Alright, here a jet. Now get this. We just came back from going where they're flying over. Yeah, we just got back from where they're flying over. We didn't see none, and now they're coming over. This is ridiculous. No, I don't see it. You okay? I don't see it, but I hear it. Yeah. I don't hear you anymore. Being quieter now. There's the Hercules again. Where is it now? Should be somewhere. No, it's not focused. It'd help if it was focused. Where the frick did it go now? Right, there it is. You just heard the jets again, for Pete's sake. They're probably all over there. Please let me just see one jet before it's over. Please. Good day, tubies. It is Saturday of... I think there's like 2 more days of NATO training. Saw some stuff yesterday, so... And today, we're going to go down to the valley where they're doing all the training. Or, I mean, where they're doing all the takeoffs and landings and stuff, where they're based. So, we'll cross your fingers that we see something. Because, I don't know, we'll be kind of close to the base, but we're not, I don't think we're going to go to the base, so... And with all the fighter jets in town, it'll probably be all closed off and everything, so... Yeah, so cross your fingers that we see something, because I really want to see something. Anyways, so we're going to go down to the valley and hopefully see something, and now I'm going to stop this clip and make a different clip for today's video. So, I'll see you guys later when we see something or hear something. Alright, whoa. We are at Greenwood. They're going down the road for a flea market. And I'm going to stay here and watch to see if I can see any planes take off. Speaking of airplanes. Look, they got the wings on and stuff now. Cool. Hercules, Challenger, DC something, Aurora, forgot, Lancaster, forgot, Silver, Shooting Star or Silver Star, whatever. There's like a fair going on here today. Yeah, so we're gonna see and see if anything. I'm gonna sit on the hill here and we'll keep watching. There we go. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, I see it. Love you too. Bye. So it was Aura. Pretty sure it was a Hercules, but I don't know. Alright, today is pretty much the final day for the training for Halifax anyways. That really sucks. Anyway, so there's the Hercules. Super windy again today and Dad's changed songs, so I don't know if I'll get anything filmed. But we'll see.
Everything makes it back inside.
There it is! On the left! You see it? There's more! Yeah! Finally! You got enough?
No, I can't. There's no battery in your camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll get you to do this, okay? Get the mixie inside, will you?
Mixie! Mix!
Awesome. Finally on the last day. Devin! I think they're in the clouds. Should have stayed up there. It's got a lot louder. Wet feet.
Go back up if you want, but you probably won't see anything.
No, they're going away though. Good day, guys. Today was the last day of NATO training for Halifax. They all moved on to St. John's today. Haven't heard anything yet today, so I'm guessing that they have moved on and they're not going to do anything here anymore. So, yeah, so let's do a review. Clean the lens first. Well, last night, oh, on CBC, okay, you know, there's a website, they said jet fighters will be based at Greenwood Air Force Base, right? Last night I was on Instagram and I saw a picture of all the jets at the Halifax National Airport. Like, seriously? Are you kidding me? So I sat down in the sun at the Air Force Base for 3 hours waiting for jets to come, and they weren't even based there. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, I don't know if the Alpha Jet that we saw yesterday, which made up for everything for the Sunday, because we saw them all at once, was pretty good. I really wanted to see the Hornets. Those ones, the guys, or those ones, those were the ones that I really wanted to see, because they were so much louder. And, yeah. These were, the Alpha Jets sounded like snowbirds. They were quiet and stuff, but they're pretty cool at the same time. It's too bad we didn't see them every time they came over. That would make it a better video, but whatever. So we saw Cyclones, Hercules, Auroras, Alpha Jets, and we probably heard the F-18s with the louder videos, but yeah. Sorry that it was windy in the clips. I don't know, this week has been so windy. Now it's raining, I'm not complaining because I really need this rain. But anyway, so it was pretty good. I wish we saw the Jets every day and the Hornets, of course, but yesterday it made it up pretty good. I don't know why they kept on going around there. They kept on going, like, coming straight for me, and then they immediately turn right and go the other way into the city. I don't know why. But that was quite annoying, let me tell you, because I would like to see them every single day. But yeah, so the exercise, CUTLASS FURY, whatever, took 2 years to organize, so I'm guessing there won't be another one like this for a while. But, who knows, maybe we'll see something. But I always like when they do stuff over here, because they always come up this way. You can tell at the start of the video, I don't know if I said it, all the military aircraft come out our way, and that's true, they did. You kept on hearing it and stuff. Hercules came over. But yeah, anyway, so I think that's it. It's raining, it's low clouds, so we're not going to see anything today, so, and they probably all moved on, so I'm going to end this video here. We started filming on Monday, and Monday next week, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This whole week I had the camera on a table, letting the cap open, all the doors open. They can listen out, and when I heard something, I would run out, grab the camera, and start filming. So that's how I did that. I should really do it every day, because you never know what's going to come over, like that weird aircraft that I filmed. Nobody got back to me about that, so I don't know what it is. Probably a B-2 bomber, but I don't know why it came over here. And, yeah, so that's it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. And, we'll see you guys later on, or next video, I don't know.